Karishoriisho wa government betkamya abandiza hambuga nkuru za district ya MBARARA haraka mukuzi aho harugire nazahirwaro rya Bwizibwera Health Centre yakano kucondooza bwa nyuma yo kutunga kwetombo itokuruga abantu ngwirwa rero turukuhereza abarwire yemibazi kandi yahikire n'abarwire hamwe n'abajanjabi abamugambiriye ngo binjene babiyegora.
The government structures are just structures with no facility at all. It could mean two things. Yes. Either the drugs are stolen, taken by whoever, and not given to the public.
We share the same credit line, ranging from NCD drugs, diabetes, malaria. We always run out. Actually, always run out. What we have done as a facility, we tend to get them off for the mothers.
Ofiisi ya Karishoriisho nabwo niyo kucondooza abashaha bari yahirwa reri kandi bagenzere na list yaba bari kutunga umushahara gwa government hamwe n'abari ha private.
For at least for yes, a list of staff that you have, whatever level from A to Z of any category. I would like to go that to do. And please make one copy for me on
Okurujara hangenderwaho ikitongoreshe by'amagara buri rwarere yaharengo rwa Health Centre ya kana rishemerire kubaryene ba Dr. babiri konga hacangira Dr. Richard atuhairwa twire nakora wenko kumaroma akagumwe necweka bwa nyuma ya mugenzi we kuza kushoma ekiretire Karishoriisho yabuza mukuru w'abakozi hawa district ya MBARARA kana na katano.
So that when you are going away you hand over. How long does the replacement process take?
Of course, it doesn't take a long time, like 6 months, but that's what we have started on. Given the fact that we had already had one privately, of course, paid by RBF, and now that results best financing is another component of financing that you have come to the centers.
Nabwanyuma Karishoriisho abugina habatura bo mugombora ya Rubindi hamwe nabo mu Rubindi ruhumba taona kanso hakanasa ya All Saints Church Rubindi aho bamugambire bero kubashasha.
Akabajyamo miliyoni 50 zo kurenovatinga ekizimbe ahari bakakiterera andamo bakakasigarana basigare sigara ahantu bagerera basibiti miliyoni 50 zakoma.
Aha batongwize program ya Whistleblowers Reward Program eyihangariona aho abantu baburijo barabene barebuze kintu cyone cyo mu bushomanguzi bakahaba bo mu ofisi rero bakarongorwa.
Ahabwo kuba hata abantu cyo kubanza cyabyona no complaininga ahabwenki esente za government ningo buhereza bwa government butakuba so bo bana bamanya ngo ari kuba kureba uko kushoba babintu buba actually ikiza kuba this is a bottom up.
Ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.